Hey guys. Not like I can go outside, so. I am here with some to-go food, which is actually like a really big treat these days. I have one of my favorite places to either eat there with Thomas on the weekend or bring it home and eat together, and that's Viva Chicken. So I am going to do a little say it right. I've seen a lot of people in the US on YouTube call this Mukbang or Mukbang, but I'm pretty sure it's Mukbang. Eating on YouTube. Eating and catching up and showing people what you're eating. I don't know why it's so popular, but it is. People love it. I've watched a few of my favorite YouTubers do it, so figure I will show you what we got from Viva Chicken and we can catch up about what life looks like these days. Pause before we get into this food. I missed my so I hope everybody is using their hand sani, and I hope nobody is stockpiling it or buying more than they need. My husband and I literally have this one bottle. It's about a third of the way gone, and there's none in the stores or on Amazon. Like, what the fuck? Got some sauce. Is their side of yucca fries. Is it yucca or yucca? You want some? Wait, you gotta dip it in the cheese. So Viva Chicken has all of these really yummy sauces. This is a Peruvian style restaurant, by the way. Peruvian style chicken. You're just gonna go ahead and just eat it. But this yellow cheese sauce, so bomb. So bomb. Like, get you some. Yo, we've been stuck home for a week. What do you want? Oh, I shook this up because I got it at Starbucks yesterday. You guys, Starbucks has a new drink. It's called the Golden Ginger Drink. Yeah, Golden Ginger Drink. And it's like pineapple and ginger. I got it yesterday when I got our regular drinks, and I didn't really try it, so I figure I'm gonna try it now. This is what it looks like. Golden Ginger Drink. It's like on the menu where the refreshers and stuff like that is. No. I like, no. It tastes like one of those naked smoothies that's like, you know those naked smoothies that are like smoothies, but it's really just grams of sugar and shit. Sorry if you like those, by the way. They're not that great for you. That's what that tastes like. Or the, what's that other brand that does them? Cambria's staring at me. Got my yuca fry, got my cheese sauce, got 1 bottle of hand sanitizer to last me however long this shit lasts. Can I ask you a serious question?
What?
When we run out of hand sanitizer,
Okay.
I know we have soap, but like, where are we gonna get more hand sanitizer?
Or not.
Okay.
It's not a necessity. And wash your hands. I have plenty of soap.
You wanna try this and see if you like it any better today?
No, I already did earlier. It's
Almost
disgusting.
hates it. Yeah, I don't like it either. It tastes like Odwalla. That's what I'm trying to think of. You know those like fake ass smoothies on the front of the grocery stores?
Oh.
That's what that reminds me of. So good.
Can you just sit here and eat it? Okay.
It's I think it's a trend that started in Korea, and it's called, let me say this right. I just won't. It's
Don't.
Google says that everybody here says Mukbang, and that's wrong. That's just what it looks like it would be pronounced, but
It's mukbang, okay? Whatever you say it is.
mukbang. So yeah, I don't even know what this cheese sauce is called that Viva Chicken makes, but like these yuca fries though. That's too much. I just have to show you guys like the reality of the And then there's Belle. Yep, that's my life. For real. For real. Okay. All right. So how's everyone's quarantine going? The world is crazy right now. It would probably help if I eat for you on YouTube. Watch this. Does that make you feel better? I really don't know the point of this. But all I know. I bet you like the cheese. You guys, it's getting serious. Can you guys leave me the fuck alone? Ew, you just drooled. Okay. What will I eat now? I'm sorry about my cat's asshole. Belle. So next, I want to eat some plantains. We'll save some of these for later. I won't eat them all right now, but I dribbled sauce on my pants. I'm just gonna use my hands instead of my fork. Whew. We love to eat it. I've like become a monster. I like need the pressure of society, or else I'll just eat plantains in my hands. Whew, the sauce. The sauce is hot. It's, ooh. Yes. 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 I can't. It's so good. I'm gonna have a third one now. Yes. I mean, there's so many emotions. The overpowering one being gratefulness. All of it, all of it. This is my favorite like treat drink because it's like so high in sugar and really not doing anything for this beautiful bod. So, you know, I limit the intake, but with the temperatures in the 80s lately, it's like not like I can go outside, so I'll just drink this and pretend. I'm happy. Don't worry, I'm fine. Last but not least, the main event. This is what I get every time we go to Viva Chicken. It's the taco bowl. And it actually turns out to be like 2, if not 3 meals for me. But I just have to show you guys. You can get this with dark meat chicken, white meat chicken, a mix, or you can get it vegetarian style. So I obviously get mine vegetarian style. It's so good. Oh my God. You've got cilantro rice. I double up on avocado. Got some pickled red onions, tomatoes, like a cilantro mix almost. Can you not? Hey. No. Shut up for like, for 30 seconds. Shut up. And then there's these beans. I love their canary beans. Probably my favorite part about this dish. It's just, and the sauces. It's so good. It's divine. Divine. It's just so much food. I put it away. I'm gonna eat a few more plantains and chat with you guys. I just can't believe I've ordered at this place a million times and I've never been web order number 4. I'll show you. You see that? So granted, I placed the order at about 11 and I'm pretty sure they just opened at 11 or so. But any other time I've done that, I'm order like 30, 130, you know, I'm never order number 4. So it's just kind of crazy to realize how much everything has slowed down and like really actually changed. I just want to remind you guys and encourage you guys, we are all in this together. So let's stay home, let's be good global citizens, and really just do what we can to like make this pass faster so we can all be back together again like we want to be. It's wild times. I mean, my workplace shut down last Monday. I have no idea if it'll be back open. I haven't been at work since last Monday. Don't know if I'll get to go back to work. I know a lot of other people are dealing with the same thing. And those that aren't dealing with that, those that still have work, that's even scarier. Like the poor cashier at Harris Teeter yesterday, or the girl that ran my to-go food out to my car. I'm thinking of y'all. Like, we need a stimulus. We need our government to step up. And I think that this really has proven, you know, a lot of things, but I'm just gonna say what I'm thinking, which is that it's the millennials that are still working right now. like, let's be clear, aside from nurses, healthcare workers, the actual heroes of the COVID-19 scenario, it's the millennials that are propping up our economy, or what's left of it. Like, it's all the college students that work at the grocery store, that work at Starbucks, that work at Viva Chicken, that work at these fast food restaurants, that are keeping everything going right now that's not shut down. It is absolutely nuts to me, like totally unexpected, that all of these companies previously, if any of us had come in and said, we should just all work from home. Let's work from home. We'll still work. We'll still be productive. None of that would have been like believable or respected. And it's just crazy that that's the norm now. I mean, that's the new normal. That's what all companies are having to do. And you know, time is passing, weeks are passing, and it's just being proven that that is a possibility for companies, and that is a smart way to structure your business, and you know, that you actually end up saving money on office space and equipment. Lazy millennials have been saying for years, it's all coming to fruition right now, and it's a requirement. It's not just like a preference, it's like a must. And that's not coming from a place of like being glad at all. I would much rather have a job and be at my job. I'm kind of at a loss, but still wanted to connect with you guys. I think I just wanted to say, stay hopeful, stay bright, and let's stay together and stay home, because I think this is only the beginning in the US. I'm not trying to cause panic or scare anybody. We're going to really have to take this seriously, stay home. The people that are in Florida on spring break now because they turned 21 this year and stupid shit like that, I hope we stop seeing that. And I really hope we see everybody take this seriously. And just know that if your job has been impacted by what's going on, you are not alone. You're not alone, and we'll figure it out. We'll get through it. But we have to do it together, you guys. Sending you lots of love, lots of positivity, and I would send you hand sanitizer, but I don't have any. So. What do you think? Yeah? You like it? That's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to connect, eat, because I know you were really waiting on me to do that. That's really it, you guys. Stay bright, stay up, and stay home. We got this. Like a lot. Like I love you. Do you love me?